80 WPM. Sir Kailash Chandra. Transcription. Second, many attempts were made on behalf of the local industrialists to manufacture matches, but they could not withstand the competition. Competition. Full stop. One of the weapons in the hand of those big monopoly companies to use the trade mark to browbeat these manufacturers and harass them. Full stop. This is not the only measure to curb these big monopolistic, these foreign monopolistic. Full stop. We should see that these particular trademark does not become a weapon in the hand of those big monopolistic to browbeat the small industrialist. Full stop. Sir, that developed follower of Gandhiji and the present member of All India Khadi and Village Industries Board, Sri Satish Das Gupta, has brought out in his brochure, which I think was circulated to all the member of parliament, as to how these big monopolistic are endorsing the very extent of small industries, and that too especially of the handmade and cottage industries. Full stop. So when it come to that, no specific effect has been made by the government to see that these particular branch of industry and the product produced by that industry are given due protection. When we brought it to the notice of the ministry that in order to protect these product of the cottage industries and the small scale industries, some specific provision should be introduced in respect of zonal registration. Our request was refused. It has been argued that since the provision has already been made for the limitation of these trademark to a particular territory, no necessity exists for these zonal registration. But if we examine these things, sir, we can perfectly understand that the registrar has got the power to limit the jurisdiction of a particular registration to a particular territory. Full stop. By that, the small manufacturer does not derive any benefit. Full stop. So we suggest that some scheme for registering these small scale product should be evolved, and it should be called zonal registration. Full stop. There are many manufacturers should who produce for the local or and whose produce is consumed locally. Full stop. There are many varieties of biddies. There are many varieties of food stuff which are locally manufactured and which are also locally consumed. These people are mainly interested in seeing that their trademark is registered and limited to a particular extent. Full stop. So producer are not interested in the all India circulation or an all India market, but they are mostly interested in their local consumption. Full stop. Some provision must be made for such people of register their trademarks, limiting their jurisdiction to their particular zones. Full stop. Then, sir, coming to the question of jurisdiction, it has been stated that the jurisdiction should be extended to the High Court. Full stop. Paragraph.